A spacious, open-plan living and dining area features a light wood table with leather chairs facing a gray sofa and wooden coffee table near garden views. This open-concept living and dining area offers a modern aesthetic featuring a large gray sectional, a wooden dining table, and a well-equipped kitchen under exposed beams. A sunlit dining and kitchen area centers on a rustic wooden table surrounded by rust-colored velvet chairs adjacent to a modern white kitchen island with stools. A rustic wooden dining table is surrounded by burnt orange upholstered chairs illuminated by a green pendant light near a modern kitchen island and garden windows. Sun-drenched open-plan living and dining space features a rustic table with brown chairs, a light sectional sofa with terracotta pillows, and sliding doors opening to greenery. A modern, minimalist open-plan area showcases a white sofa with rustic coffee table, vibrant green plants, and a sturdy dining table near glass doors to the garden. This modern combined dining and living room features a large wooden table with leather chairs, a comfortable sectional sofa, and minimalist chandelier under bright natural light. A bright, airy, open-plan space features a long wooden dining table with dark chairs beside a beige sofa facing a coffee table near lush garden views. This bright, open-plan area includes a comfortable L-shaped sofa, a wooden dining table under a stylish chandelier, and a modern kitchen with white countertops and dark cabinetry. A modern living and dining room features a plush sofa and patterned rug adjacent to a wooden table with leather chairs under wooden ceiling beams and light. A spacious, modern, open-plan area highlights a white sectional sofa facing a TV with a rustic dining table nearby and a kitchen featuring dark cabinetry in background. A modern, open-concept space features a sectional sofa, fireplace, and dining table, accented by black-framed windows, exposed beams, hardwood floors, and touches of green indoor plants. A bright, open-concept area showcases a white sectional with blue pillows, a round wood coffee table, and a modern kitchen with a large island and bar stools. A beautifully decorated space connects a dining room with a wooden table and pendant light to a cozy living area featuring a stone fireplace and exposed beams. This modern farmhouse living room and kitchen boasts high vaulted ceilings with exposed beams, featuring a large island, stainless steel appliances, and a cozy stone fireplace area.